everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to kick people off YouTube TV. In order to do it, you first have to come on YouTube TV and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and then you need to come in your settings. Now in your settings you will see the family sharing option, so you need to simply click on it, and by default on YouTube TV you can share your YouTube TV subscription with 5 people in your family or friends. So here, in order to basically remove the people, you will see the list of all of the persons who are actually using your account to watch YouTube TV. So from here you will see the option of remove that person, so you can basically remove that person from this list that you will see over here in the family sharing section. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.